Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you that how can you recover your account from your mail ID or your mobile number on Roblox. So just first of all, I don't have any application of Roblox. If you have application or if you are using by website, these are the same process you just have to follow. So let's start the video. You just have to click on the Google Chrome option here and open the Roblox on Google Chrome console. Click on this website. This is the official website of roblox.com. Wait, when you click it, you just have to continue to browser, and now this is the login page. You can see the option here, forgot password or username. Just click on it, and if you don't have your username remembered or your mail ID, so you just have to click on the phone number verification and click the phone number here. Like I will enter it, I will enter my phone number here and just submit it. You just have to follow the captcha and solve it. Pick the train, this train, yes, this is train. So now just submit it, and thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.